isn't any more blood. Way to go, Edward.
Oh my gosh.
I told you I couldn't do it!
Now what are we gonna do? Did you seriously just kill her? I am out of a job for 2 more movies, man. I was gonna get in shape. Yeah, are you freaking kidding me? No.
She never liked you anyway!
No!
Or would have liked you if she had known you!
She already knows! She was totally gonna go with me!
Alice, you're not even, you know what, you're not even a werewolf yet, so just
What?
leave.
Whatever.
You're not an interesting character.
Man. Whatever!